Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can use vidIQ to grow your YouTube channel. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. And also I will leave a link in the description for vidIQ where you will be getting 50% off for the initial 2 months. So let's start with the video. So as you can see, we are on my vidIQ dashboard and these are my channel stats for the past 7 days. We can also change this to last 30 days and also all time. So in the last 30 days I've got around 6500 views with around 18 subscribers and in total 14 watch hours and retention of 42%, which is pretty low. And the thing with this is you also get daily ideas. So if we go ahead and open these daily ideas over here, as you can see, you can make videos on these topics where there is a chance that you will be getting very high views. So as you can see, for the first three topics there is a very high chance that I will be getting a lot of views over here. And then these are some personalized ideas where you can use this to make videos on this to get high views. And also it sorts based on the number of view count. So if we make videos on this till here, then very high views, here high and here medium. So let's go back. Now we also have this something called as a monetization tracker where you will need 10,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel to get monetized. So I have 37 subscribers right now with a total watch time of 77 hours. And the thing with this is like I will need to check whether the shorts watch time is also included or not, because shorts watch time is usually not counted over here. And then you can also get AI title recommendations where you can type in certain keywords and get the AI title recommendation. Now this is a subscribers overview over here, at what time your subscribers are mostly active. So it's early morning 3 a.m. Dubai time, 6 a.m., 12 p.m. and 9 p.m. And if we talk about the demographics of my channel, so around 75% are men and 25% are women. And these are the channels which my audience are watching. So these are my competitors, you can say. And you can add these competitors over here and track their progress against your own progress. Now they also have something called as a keyword opportunities. We will go into that in detail in some time. And as you can see, we have already seen these daily ideas. You also have something called as saved ideas where you can save these ideas, and in the future you can make a videos on this to get more views and more subscribers. And then there is something called a dismiss idea. If you press on this cancel button, then this turns out to be a dismissed idea. Now this is a AI generator. So it will generate a content for your new YouTube video. So you just have to type create a video about, and it will start generating content for you. Now this is very important. This is the keyword where you will be doing a lot of work over here. Now if you want to make a YouTube channel with trending topics, so all you have to do is you need to go over here and click on rising keywords. And if you make a video on these topics, then there is a chance that you will be getting a lot of views and also a lot of subscribers, as you can see. So you can also sort this by this week. So as you can see, echo trailer, the volume changes 160,000 percentage up with a search volume of 1.7 million. And if we check for today, so gob debate, the artist trailer. So this is how you can make a viral YouTube channel. And then we can also search for the top search terms for our channel. So these are the top search terms for my channel over here, as you can see, because my most of my videos are how to. And then there are this top keyword opportunities over here for me. So I can make videos on any of this. So you have to sort this by competition. So usually if you go for the low competition, then your videos will be placed in the higher ranking, and there's a slight chance or more chance that people will click on your videos and watch it. And this is just the overview. Now if we type Facebook ads over here and search for the keywords, as you can see, this Facebook ads 2023, the search volume is good and the competition is pretty low. And if your channel is on how to, then you simply go and click on this all questions and check for the search volume. Of course, more the search volume, more people will be seeing your video. But again, you will need to check for a competition also. So select the one in the greens and make a video on them. And we have already seen about the competitors. I haven't added any competitors because my channel is pretty small. I mean, I cannot compete with anyone right now, if you see. And these are the subscriber count. So the top videos which my subscribers are watching are this one, and the top channels my subscribers are subscribing to are these channels over here, as you can see. And these are the best times to post over here. So they have given it for every day of the week. So you can post it as per this, when your audience would be most active. And then they also have this search engine optimizer, where you can use channel wide tags if you want, and you can optimize your video. So you can directly add tags over here to in order to optimize the video and get it into a higher ranking. They also have something called as AI coach, which I don't usually use. And then they have this upgrade plan if you want to upgrade. So they have this one-on-one coaching, which is like $100 a month, and this is close to $50. And these are the benefits that you will be getting with the plan. So this is how you can use the vidIQ tool. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.